Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our YouTube channel where we demonstrate some of the china currently going on the Vintage and Antiques website. A rather splendid Masons teapot in their very well-known and recognised Denmark pattern. Made this in a couple of colours, so it's sometimes referred to as Blue Denmark. Lovely stylised fish scaling on the top little bits here with some rib moulding around it, little linear elements to this pattern. Further bits of moulding around where the teapot handle and actually on the body of the handle as well. There's a nice bit of detailing just moulded into this teapot. This is the larger version of the two they made. There's a 1.5 scale one, but this is the large 2-pint version. It's in very good condition. Let's show you the factory marks. There you go. Very nice blue Mason's crown mark, Ironstone made in England. Copyright mark there for the Denmark pattern name. So a late 20th century piece, not a very early one. Denmark's been made over a long period of time. I do like the detailing on the lid here. Nice little button handle with again some moulded rib detailing in. You can see this here. I think the light's picking it up. Those little ribs moulded into the side gives it a really nice feel in the hand. Beautifully decorated little lid, very clean, nice little retention. Molly, behave yourself. Sorry, I'm videoing with a couple of dogs. 2 dogs and 1 bone. Not working out too well for one of them. So back to the teapot, in lovely condition. No condition notes or warnings on this piece at all. Absolutely clean. Beautiful glaze on the outside. Has been used, a little bit of tannin staining on the inside, but we'll give it a good wash up and it will come to you in absolutely bright and sparkling condition. Condition, as I say, is fine, and if you follow the link below, take you to the website listing for this teapot. Thanks for watching.